Friends, there are some scenarios when you cannot define all your chart in just one page with a default view. So that time you need a longer page, like you can scroll it and show all the things like this one. So we can define everything in just one page. So by default we get the size of a PPT kind of view, or in 16 by 9, or we can say 720 by 1280. In this size only we will get. But how you will define this page in a portrait mode like this one, we can scroll and we can get all the details. So there are multiple things in a page settings, means how you can set your page. So how you will go to this, let's understand in this video now. So there are multiple things I have already explained, like this page orders, sales and profit. So this was the page navigation I have created with multiple bookmarks, so you can understand it with my previous video. Yeah, the link will be provided in my description of this video. So let's discuss today this one, how to scroll your page, right? So let's create one page with a default view. So this is the default view. So what we will do here, we'll just define this is the page settings. So there is page information, means here we can define our name like new page or something else we can say. And let's go to canvas settings. So canvas settings, here it is 16 by 9. So we will use, we can give multiple settings, like which kind of page we can use. This is 4 by 3. This is letter kind of page. This is tooltip, just to define tooltip. So tooltip I have already defined in my previous videos with this one. So if you want to learn this tooltip page, then you can go to that videos. So this is for the custom. So custom, we can customize our length and height and width basically. So height we will give like 1400 and width we can give like 1280. So this way you can see now, one scroll bar is there. So this is our scroll bar. This is looking something more. So we can I have given this page in TT sales. So what we will do, we'll define it as a tooltip only, but on the new page we will go and define it as a custom. So custom we will give 1400 and 1280. So this is how it is here now. So we can define our charts here, whatever you want to say, show here. So like we can give country. So where is country? Country is this one. And country wise we can get all the customers, means how many customers are there in each country, right? So customer ID we can give it in values. So this is how it is showing here. Let's increase the width of this graph. So this is how it is defined here. So let's go to our page settings again, because we want to learn page settings, and these graph and all things I have already explained. So we can go to this color. If you want to define any color in the background, you can give it in the background like this one. So basically why this color is not showing, because this transparency is 100% here. When we reduce it, it will come. You can see if we reduce it by 0, it will come as a darker mode. So if we reduce it like 50%, it will be 50% darker, like this one. We can add some images in the background. So for this we will go to this browse option, and here we will select some background. So this is actually added in the background, but this is not coming correctly. So what we will do, image fit is normal here, so we will do it as fit. So you can see it is coming in the complete page. So there are multiple things like fit and fill. So this is filled in complete page. So this one, you can remove this color, canvas background, you can fit it. So this is how it is coming in whole page. So similarly, wallpaper also can be added, like this image only. So if we add this one, this image is coming on the top of this canvas background. So this is how it will come. Sorry, it is coming behind the canvas. So actually this one is our canvas background is 50% darker, that's why we are able to see this one. If we keep it 0%, then canvas, this wallpaper is gone. Or if we do it by 100%, then your canvas is 100% transparent. So this is how we will define it. So this is the canvas and wallpaper. For now we will remove it. This setting is for filter pane. Means where is your filter pane? This is your filter pane basically. So here what you will do, you will define the text size. You can see text size is increasing, right? So this is how it is defining your text size. This is for your font. You can see here. We can reset it. So text is this one. You can change the color as well, like this, right? For the inputs, you can give your color as well. Is how you will define your input. Or we can give some light color. This is for input. So you have given your text color as this violet and input as this one gray out. This is for the headers. So header you can define it as header size. So what you will do, you will add some these filters here. So what filters we can add? Category. So this is for category. So let's see how we can define it. Go to filter pane, go to header. So this is for header. Now go to search box. We can define the search box text size. So basically what we will write here, this one, this text size is increased. We want to decrease it, we can decrease it from here. You can see. So similarly we can give a border as well. So basically border color is gray. So what we will do, we will keep it black, and let's see, this is your border, this is changed here. So if you want to keep your border changing, like we can define blue, you can see this is blue now. You can give some gray, light gray. You can see the changes, how it is reflecting and where it is reflecting. So this is your border basically. So background, we will give you complete filter pane as a background. Let's see this one. So there are multiple colors. You can keep your color, means whether you want to define it as a gray out or how, like this one, right? So these are all the color settings here. Transparency also you can keep, how much transparent you want to keep your color or your background. So this is for background. There are other options like pane width, means what is the width of this filter pane. So you can increase it, like if we do it by 400, you can see. If we do it by 100, value must be greater than or equal to 180. So minimum value we can define up to 180. So this is your 180. 200 we will give. This is the default one. So this is how it will work. So these are all the page settings for your page. You can use it, you can define it, and later if we want to remove all these settings, we can use reset to default. So this is your default one. You can use it, you can apply these settings in your page by using one more Power BI file. You can apply these settings. Thank you.